Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to do this move that I came up with maybe about 2 years ago, and I haven't seen anyone else do it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make a video for it. I'm calling it an iso flip knee bump, and I feel like that's kind of long, but it's just what we're gonna go with. So I'm gonna show you guys the move first, and then I will explain it. So this is the move. Don't drop it, but okay, there we go. So that's the move. I'm calling it an iso flip knee bump because there's two ways that I get into this move. I kind of iso into it and then do the knee bump part, or I'll flip and knee bump. So that's where the name came from. So I'm gonna go ahead and break it down. So if you're familiar with isolations, this should be easy. So I'm just gonna start with the hoop in front of me. My palm is facing towards the ground. I am going to push out to my left side. My grip doesn't change at all. Just push out so that the hoop rotates and your thumb is now facing towards the ground. And then I'm gonna rotate my body. So we're actually kind of do it at the same time. So rotate this way. Now I'm in the position for the knee bump. So my thumb is facing down towards the earth, and I'm gonna let go and bump my leg, catch it with my opposite hand, my left hand. And now if I want to keep this move continuous, I'm going to flip the hoop. So right now my thumb is facing up towards the sky. I'm going to flip down towards the earth and bump. So grip doesn't change at all, you just rotate. So your hand is going to stay in the same position the whole time. You're just rotating the hoop and letting go. So to iso into this move, you can kind of just start with your hoop spinning, stop, your hand's going to be at the bottom of your hoop, and you're going to rotate to your left. You're now in the position to bump, and bump, catch with your left hand, and thumb facing up, thumb facing down. Now I can do it with my left leg, catch with my right hand, thumb facing up, thumb facing down, and bump. And now it's this continuous little move. The other way I get into this move is just kind of flip. So now my thumb, or my palm is facing towards me, and it's at the top part of my hoop. I'm gonna swing it out. Again, my grip doesn't change, just out, rotate, bump. So a way to make this move look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing is keep your toes pointed as you bump. So bump, bump, bump. Always keep those toes pointed. It just looks cleaner, it looks nicer. That's pretty much the move. This was actually a little bit easier to teach than I was expecting it to be. I don't know if it makes sense, so please let me know if it does. Let me know if this is cool, if it's lame. I want to hear it all. If you tried to do the move, tag me on Instagram so I can see it. And if you guys have any questions and want me to break it down any further, let me know, and I got you. All right, that's all. Happy hooping, guys.